Good morning, Christy and Jimbo here from Chrimbo's Chronicles, and we are flying down this California highway headed to Bombay Beach first, then we'll hit Slab City and Salvation Mountain. But and we've been here before. We just love seeing the different art and how the people have decorated their homes in Slab City. So you're welcome to come along with us. And if you want to check out the old video, I'll have Jimbo put the link in the description or in the end of the video for the other video for Slab City, Bombay Beach. Super fun. Let's go. Welcome to Bombay Beach. Attention, nobody in this town has seen this movie Star Wars. Please, no spoilers.
You're not here. No trespassing.
The last stop for the Bombay resort is them ladies skiing. It used to be a big resort. Wow.
A whole bunch of stuff.
Oh, new art. Love it. Oh, and they dug out this whole area right here. There weren't people camping here before, but now there's a few. There's new art too.
Guess.
If Bombay Beach glass. Just what I always wanted. This is art too. Don't know what it's doing, but that's what art does. Just does it.
So they put all them hay
Bales. Oh wow. Look how cool. It's the sun. Did I point out that they had put a gazillion hay bales out here? Don't know why. Maybe they have some kind of fun thing go on that we don't know about. It says area closed, no entry, no trespassing. So they must have those there to maybe improve the beach. I don't know. This is all an agricultural accident is why there's water here at all. It's very salty and it is eroding away. This is a serpent tail. So I know it's backlit. I'm gonna get closer so you can see it. There's a picture of a spaceman with the Milky Way in the background of this swing set that I'm about to show you. And it used to be in the water. The last time we were here, the last two times we were here, this swing set was in the water. But the water has eroded away so much that it is now up here. Well, it didn't move, the water did. And that box was out there too. There's fish bones. People do the funnest stuff out here. It's so great. There's another thing. So many talented artists out here. Oh, there's a little bit of art. The seas may sink tomorrow. The ocean will remain. Oh, that sign right there also was in the water. It says, the only other thing is nothing. But that was out in the water. Oh, are they renting paddle boats? Pedal boats? No. Must be art, doing art things. Yeah, there's a monolith, but we don't want to get too close because there's people camping right there. I feel bad just pointing this at them. And this pretty yellow door is a door too. Nothing.
piano over there.
There's a Tesla charging station. We plugged into it last time we were here. All sorts of people camping out here now. Help our sea, elevation 70.
I think they might be living out here.
Yeah. Solar and wind power. Greenland. It has writing on those signs, but I can't read it. There's a confessional. And this appears to be the living room. I don't see how that's gonna go over because it seems like a lot of people are camping or overnight parking right now. They're not bothering me, so I don't care. We can relax now. We've made it to the Bombay Bliss Beach Club. I got an orange flamingo. What's that stairway to? Heaven? Oh, there's a dog that hangs out here. I did see a dog by one of the campers. Oh, dog bed and a water bowl on the other side. You're king of the world. Members only. I wonder if they'll let me have just one visit for free. So colorful. I love it. It might be somebody's house, but it says don't sleep here. Jimbo got me scared that it might be somebody's house. So I'm gonna back away quietly. Nobody's coming out yelling at me. My turn. That's a pretty cool shot too. Looks like the stairway to nowhere. Very nicely constructed stairs. It is a really good view. Bombay Beach Estates over there. It's a pretty cool neighborhood. They're all bicycles? Oh, they're bicycle parts made into art.
The little solar lights that I got.
Oh, yeah. Little solar lights on some of them. Here are the pyramids. They were here last time. I know, right? I don't know what this is. Sea State. I don't know what this is or what it's about. And there are signs everywhere that says no camping here. Those signs weren't here before, but also the campers weren't here before, and now they are. So strange, but there's a giant cone. It has seen its better day. It was here when we were here last time too.
There's someone over there in that container.
Oh, someone's in the container? It might be a fake someone. Who knows? Their place, they've got a butterfly. That's so cool. I'd live out here. Hell yeah, except for the smell, it's great. It smells like the inside of a porta potty. That's the exact description I say it smells like. That was an old boat skeleton that was here last time, but that elaborate thing was not. Sub Club. Oh, look at all the water containers. Huh. Look at that box. Oh, and there's a bunch of arty pictures of the place. Now let's get into Bombay Estates. So colorful and fun. Okay, some aren't always colorful, but that looks cool. Oh, I love their paint job. The Bombay Beach Museum of Bombay Beach. Look at that double decker. Check this paint job out. That's pretty. It's a bunch of TVs. The tile house. That's awesome. So at least they recycle. They have this cool spaceship looking thing. It's seen its better day. We saw it last time and it did look better then. Look at all the insulators. That's cool. This one was destroyed by a fire. Calling Mr. Bombay Beach. That's crazy. Blue Rocks. The last resort.